Hey guys, so I'm going to show you how to reset an oil life for a Mercedes R350. So first what you want to do is turn the key to the accessory mode. To the first accessory mode, not to everything's on. Then you want to get to the mileage screen. This is how you circulate to the mileage screen here. Pressing this button, you get to the miles. Right there, you press this R button 3 times fast. 1, 2, 3. Hear that beep, it goes good there. So now what you want to do is press this down button. You get to the service data menu. So you want to press the negative button, which walks you all the way through confirmation. You click on confirmation, so you accept it here. Now you click on full service. So now you're on full service and you want to click there again. Alright, so we go to full service. You click enter. Mine's going to say not confirmed because I already did the full service and I already confirmed it before. So that's just a quick video on how to do it. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this, and thanks for watching. Bye.